morning, guys. I go to class for English talking with girls. So it's Russian girls. We meet every Tuesday and wanted to improve our English. Honestly, my English, I told about it, not so good. But I think I will do it. So, what do you think? What the best things for improve your English? Talked, or maybe learning new word, or maybe listening, I don't know, podcast or something. What do you think? What you advise for me? So bad. So bad road in the Thailand. Really, look at this. It's jungle. It's jungle in Thailand. But, this is a beautiful cafe in Thailand. Oh, my favorite Bangkok.
Let me see. I think that we have the result pretty much. But anyway, if you haven't voted in this,
I don't know. Maybe property, maybe it's fitness, maybe it's hotel reception.
I'm really into the piano lessons. I really like it so much.
Пока-пока. I'm now finish my meet with girls and go to another city to meet my friend. Now I'm driving a car and I really understood what fuck, I'm happy. I'm really happy person, and sometimes we really not realized what we live really good life. We're really happy. We need to notice some small things in our life. And 1 year ago I was in a bad relationship with abuser, or maybe he was psychopath, I don't know. Anyway, 1 year ago I was in bad relationship. I was so unhappy. I had a dream about, wow, I want once live in Thailand. I want to find man who really love me and really good man. I wanted to live in Thailand. I wanted to speak in English. I wanted to improve my quality, life quality, and now I'm really feeling it. I'm so happy now, really. And I wanted to ask you, maybe you happy too, but you noticed it. Maybe you need to, sometimes remembering yourself, what fuck, I live a happy life. It's really important.
แล้วก็แตกอันตัวเนี้ยเอาที่อัพเป็นมินิไซส์เนี่ยอันนี้ตัว30,000เนี่ยถ้าต่อไปมันที่ทำอย่างนี้มันก็จะไม่เห่าแล้วมันต้องยอมอ่ะ